So for this week's lesson, we'll be learning about mathematical symbols. The purpose of these lessons will be to help you identify what different mathematical symbols stand for and to know the different names of these symbols. For example, you can see here for addition, there is adding is a name, and the symbol is this plus sign here. The other names, adding, sum, increase by, and total, these all mean the same thing. Ultimately, what is 4 plus 3? You could also say 4 add 3, or what is a sum of 4 and 3, or what is 4 increased by 3, or the total of 4 plus 3. So all these names mean the same thing. You can also see here for subtraction or subtract, minus, decreased by, difference, less than, subtracted from, we always use this symbol here. An example is 7 minus 2 or 7 subtract 2, or the difference between 7 and 2. They all mean the same thing. The next symbol is for multiplication. Multiply, sometimes you might say times or product. Another weird one is of that you might not hear of too often. So 2 of 3 means 2 times 3, and that'll be equal to 6. You have several different symbols here. The cross or the X here, the dot, number with parentheses, or just sometimes two things put together, like the number and the variable. All of these mean multiply. So for example here, 2 times 5 using the X, 2 times 5 using the dot, and 2 times 5 simply using parentheses, because these parentheses without a symbol in between means multiply, or just a number and a variable without anything in between, it also means multiply. For divide, we also have different symbols you may be able to use. Another name for divide is quotient. This symbol here is often what we see for divide, but the slant and the horizontal line denoting a fraction, so 6 divided by 3, or here 6 over 3. Both of these you will say 6 over 3. They also mean divide. So anytime you see a fraction symbol, fractions and dividing is the same thing. For fractions, you may see the slanted line or the horizontal line. Usually we use a horizontal line, but for typing, at times it is easier with the slant. The last one is the equal sign. You could also see equivalent. It's the two horizontals line here, and for example, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Thank you for watching this lesson.